इमेजिन नेक्स्ट फ्रेम जो है वो यहाँ से होगा, ये बैकग्राउंड है वहाँ पे।
Another day, another vlog. It's been a few days, actually a couple of weeks since I've been vlogging. I think being a vlogger is not a very easy thing to do. I have been trying to vlog multiple times. In fact, between the last 3-4 weeks, I have been from Mumbai to Dehradun, Dehradun to Delhi, Delhi back to Dehradun, and I have not taken that opportunity to shoot anything. I think I missed some of the best opportunity to create some content, but considering my next vlog is supposed to be out in a few days time, I need to create something. I thought it will be a great opportunity to introduce you to the people I work with and the office we have over here in Dehradun. I think it's a great opportunity to show people a part of my life. So let's get into the office. So this is the entry to the office. Let me introduce you to everybody in the team. Say hello, Pallavi.
Hi, Jimmy.
So this is Pallavi. Pallavi, what do you do?
What do I do? I do nothing.
Okay. And this is Prachi. She generally comes to office in a night suit. And actually, can you introduce yourself?
I do many things. Graphic design is one of them. I'm working on a brand book currently. Quite exciting.
Okay. And the most camera-friendly person in the team.
Hi, I'm Ashna. I'm the graphic designer here. Yeah. So
She's actually the princess of the bakery
Sunrise.
of Sunrise.
Sunrise.
Yeah, so she's going to inherit the entire.
Yes, very soon. And then everybody can have delicious cakes there. Do visit Sunrise.
I like how you're promoting your business in the middle of my vlog. This one, somebody is working extremely hard. Neha?
Hello. Hi, Jimmy. Hello.
You want to? हाँ तो tell something about yourself ना? Hello.
जिमी क्या जानना चाहते हो बताओ तो.
आपका नाम क्या है? आप क्या करते हो?
अभी बताया नेहा.
नेहा क्या?
मैं क्या करती हूँ? मैं दिमाग खाती हूँ सबका.
See, what kind of organization we hire people to eat our brains.
There's one person who's not doing anything, the other is eating.
See this.
She's making coffee.
I'm making coffee. It'll take a good 15 minutes, but it'll be worth it.
Can you introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Snehi Singh.
Yeah, look in the camera and say it.
Hi, I'm Snehi. I
She works in the pantry over here.
Yeah. I make coffee for everyone because nobody here knows anything about it.
ये सब sort हो जाएगा. Hello.
Everybody knows Nikhil. He's already been in my first vlog.
And third
Yeah,
vlog
so
as well.
why don't you give people a proper introduction into what you do?
Okay. So my name is Nikhil Arora. I
don't know. Introduce yourself.
So I was introducing तब आपने.
अच्छा तो बताओ.
So my name is Nikhil Arora and I head post production and production here. I also shoot myself. I also direct.
You shoot yourself.
Sorry, shoot others.
So Nikhil is also actually heads the entire production and post production for the organization. Somebody who was waiting to be in front of the camera.
Please. Hi. So I need to give my introduction.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Arzu. That's it. So I work here as a video editor. I mean, I'm learning, still learning. See, I'm working and he's not letting me work.
Okay. As usual, I seem to be disturbing everybody. And then we have the most handsome guy in our company.
कहाँ से दिख रहा हूँ मैं?
कहाँ से means face से ना और कहाँ से?
कैमरा एंगल ये है.
So okay, चलो.
Okay.
This is Atul, the most handsome.
with a smile.
So, Atul, what do you do?
Production.
Actually didn't know that he does all of this. I was under the impression he does only post-production. But okay, Gaurav, you have to give your introduction and your channel name. So first of all, he also vlogs. So Gaurav,
मेरे चैनल का नाम है इजी फिल्मिंग और मैं यहाँ पे पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन
that's it. And he also dances, which he keeps forgetting to tell people. And this lady over here who constantly is trying to avoid the camera, but when it is not on her, she's waving out from the background. She also sings. She pretends to be extremely nervous and shy, but once she's on stage, you can't get her off. So yeah, this is the small team. A lot of people are still working from home, so we decided to open the office because it was just getting, I think people were just losing their motivation. So yeah, this is a quick view into the office. We are in the middle of a shoot, and this is the face of a frustrated director.
नहीं मैं frustrated नहीं हो यार.
Waiting for the star to come.
The actor to come.
The actor to come, and she's not here.
Yeah.
What do you have
She
to
is
say
gone
about
to a
that?
parlor. She is getting her hair done. So अभी just wait कर रहे हैं. हो जाए तो फिर shoot करते हैं.
But you know the light is going to change, and we'll have the same problem we had yesterday.
Yeah. नहीं, but today we'll be able to wrap it up. No worries.
So this is the actress that was supposed to come on time. Can you give us a reason why you're late?
Yes, you really want to know the reason?
Yes.
I had a bad hair day. Okay.
I don't know anything about that. It never happens to me.
You should know.
It never happens to me.
You've done it like you've done a permanent solution to that forever. I still need those solutions.
Yeah. So,
yeah.
And by the way, are we going to shoot today or no?
Yes, I'll be there. In
Will we
15
finish it or will we
15
delayed like
minutes.
yesterday?
15 minutes I'll be there, and we couldn't finish the shoot yesterday because of people like you who are constantly troubling us. You wanted content for your vlog.
Oh, I have to do the spider also. There is a big spider which we have found in the over here. चला कहाँ चला गया? There is a spider over here. Where is it? I don't know if you can see it.
ये देखो ना, देख रहे हो? मैं तो कैंसर हो गया था मुझे कल फ्रेम देख के.
Yeah, the great spiders of Dehradun.
ऐसे आप मूव करेंगे, आप बस इस तरफ मूव आउट कर दीजिएगा. That's it. Imagine next frame जो है वो यहाँ से होगा. ये बैकग्राउंड है वहाँ पे. आपने हल्का सा वहाँ एंट्री करी स्लो मोशन में, आपने कैमरा की तरफ देखा, साइड में दालमे को लोगो अपीयर होगा. वहाँ पे
खड़ी कैसे हूँ? ऐसे खड़ी.
हाँ, आपको कुछ मूव आउट नहीं करना.
Let's try and then see.
I know.
हाँ हो जाएगा. आपको नहीं कर रहा.
Our disruptors have come.
And then like they do the.
Shut up.
क्या वो?
वो ऊपर तक गिर जाता है ना तो.
जिमी यार आप तो बस अच्छा खासा शूट चल रहा था.
We should definitely put this
Give me
on
the
this
camera.
vlog.
What? That I did this.
Taken it.
See, I think I should have done this instead of you because I seem to be a better woman than you are. Especially with the sari.
Sari.
So very quick vlog today, a little bit different from the regular stuff. It was a great opportunity actually to share my professional life with you and the people that I work with. I hope you enjoyed what you saw, and if you did or you are visiting the channel for the first time, please like, subscribe and definitely share. And see you soon.